What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the F550, but before we get started on the actual video, I just wanted to say to you guys, I am sorry. I do apologize for the lack of good quality content, or the lack of quality good content, or the lack of content. I apologize. See, I can't even talk anymore. It's all because, I have to record, I have to work, I have to edit, I have to do all this stuff all by myself, and right now it's just not in the budget to hire anybody as a camera guy. So just bear with me. I promise you in the future we will. I want to say I'm going to hire somebody, but I don't know. I really don't. I don't like people. So before we get started on the video, let me show you guys something awesome that I got. So it's a 2014 Jeep Cherokee SRT. Guys, this is the one with the 6.4 Hemi engine in it. And okay, yeah, it's beefed a bit. Look at that subframe. Do you guys think we'll need to replace that subframe or what? Man, and oh gosh. Look at that shock tower. Man, this thing is absolutely flat. But guess what? Carbon fiber hood, not damaged at all. It's actually really nice. It's super clean all the way around. Look at that, got them Brembos on there, you need that stopping power. Super cool vehicle. And it's got the Craven exhaust system. It sounds super good. I would start it for you guys, but guess what? This is not the video that we're focusing on today. So let's jump right into it. So I just filled it up with antifreeze and now it is ready to start. Let's crank this sucker up. Check this out, guys. We have the M3 completely done. Man, it looks so good. And we have the Maiden Voyage on the flatbed F550. We have it warming up right now. Let's see. It's still not warmed up, but it's been running for a while. Nothing is leaking. No leaks. So we're gonna drive it home. We're gonna drive this thing 20 miles home right now. We have parked the Ram and removed the plates and installed the plates onto this. I think they interchanged. It's the same truck basically. So we are going to drive this thing home. We are leaving this thing here Don't worry, we have the best security here. I get a text every 5 seconds from this stupid place right here. But anyways, who cares about that? Let's roll. I gotta test the lights though. Lights work. Everything works. Let's go. All right, here we go. Maiden voyage. We gonna stay heavy on it. I done made her warm up. All right, we're gonna wait. And then we are going to go right now. I don't know why the brake is on, but it is. It's okay though, we're chilling. We're gonna go to the fuel station first thing. We're gonna go see my boys. Make sure nothing's leaking. Right here. Ah, they got the diesel pumps. All right, so we got a diesel pump right here. Look at that, my boy was right. We are in business, baby. We are ready. We are ready for sale. Look at that. We're never getting out of here. But look at that. All right, guys, I made it back to the house, and the F550 is running beautifully. We have no leaks. We have no issues. We have no engine lights. We have no brake lights. We have nothing. Everything is perfect with the F550. Look at that. I'd say she's ready for sale, boys. All right, that's it. We got it parked in its final position. It will probably sit here for about 25 years, but that's going to be it for this video. Nate, do the outro.
Instagram, 23rdgarage.com.
.com. Peace out.